I think it's probably been better than I expected, more fulfilling. They have about 5 hours with the program's instructors when they begin with us. So, and we often have the opportunity to go out with them and with the instructor to meet them, and so we hear what the instructor says, and often you learn a lot from listening to the instructor, and so we go for a drive with them, we get to know them, they get to know us before we hop in the car by ourselves. Well, people say you've got to have nerves of steel, but really you're in control of the situation.
And is it very rewarding when they get their licence?
Yes, because you know that it gives them freedom.
Yeah.
For young people who need to get a job, and who travel by public transport a lot.
And what about someone who was thinking about becoming a mentor? What would you say to them?
I'd say give it a go. It's really quite fulfilling.